Hey guys, this is Abhay Maheshwari and today we are going to discuss about AWS certification. So you might have heard about the AWS certification in your organization with your friends, and if you are wondering what is AWS certification, what are the uses of AWS certification and which AWS certification is relevant to your role. If you are going through all this question in your mind, then you are at the right place. So the agenda for our discussion is what are the AWS certifications? What are the different categories of AWS certification, brief description of each AWS certification, benefits of AWS certification, and then we will conclude this video. What are AWS certification? AWS certification validates cloud expertise to help professional highlights in demand skills and organization build effective innovative team and cloud innovatives using AWS. So currently most of the organizations are moving from on-premise to AWS, and so there is a high demand of the AWS professionals in the market. So this, if you take any of the AWS certification, this validates your knowledge in AWS. So that's how AWS certification helps. Categories. So this particular slide is taken from the AWS website. So there are different 4 categories in which the AWS certifications are divided: foundational, associate, professional, specialty. Foundation one is the one which is very basic AWS certification and very the simplest one. And then we have associate one. We have 3 associate certification, one in the architect stream, one in the operational stream, one in the developer stream. And then we have 2 professional level certification, that is one in the architect stream and one in the operation and developer stream. After that there are 6 specialty certification which is offered by AWS, which covers some particular specific areas. These are advanced networking, security, machine learning, Alexa skill builder, data analytics, and database. Now we are going to discuss about this certification in brief so that it will help you to understand which certification suits to your role and you should go with that certification. So let's start with the AWS certified cloud practitioner. So this is the simplest and basic AWS certification. This is suitable for technical and non-technical person. It tests your ability on the basic knowledge of AWS services. AWS recommends you to have at least 6 months of experience in AWS while you are taking this exam. So the exam can be taken at the testing center or the online proctored exam. It has multiple choice, multiple answer. What does that mean? One particular question have multiple answers, and it can have more than one correct also. It is a 90-minute exam and it costs you $100 to take this exam, and it is valid for 3 years. So all the AWS certifications are valid for 3 years. After that you have to get recertified for that exam to continue your validity for the exam. If you think you have to go with this exam, you can go to this link and you can get more details about this particular exam. Next one is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. This is suitable for the professional performing solution architect role. So currently there are 2 versions of this certification available: SAA C01, SAA C02. 01 is available till July 1st and 02 is started available from March 23rd. It tests your knowledge on how architect and deploy secure and robust application on AWS infrastructure. Around 1 year of experience in AWS is recommended for taking this exam. It can be taken at the testing center or online proctor exam. It is also multiple choice, multiple answer. It is a 130-minute exam and it costs you $150 to take this exam, and validity is also for 3 years. If you decided to go with this exam, you can refer to this link to get more details about this exam. The next one is AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. It is suitable for system administrator in system operation role. Hands-on experience with the AWS command line interface and SDK's API tool is recommended. It tests your knowledge on how to deploy, manage, and operate scalable, highly available, and fault-tolerant system on AWS. Around 1 year of more or AWS experience is recommended for taking this exam. This can be taken at testing center or online proctor exam, multiple choice, multiple answer. It is 130-minute exam and it costs you $150 and valid for 3 years. If you decide to go with this exam, you can refer to this link for more details. Next is AWS Certified Developer Associate. This is suitable for individuals who perform a developer role. Understanding of core AWS services, uses, and basic AWS architecture best practices. Test your knowledge on core AWS services, uses and basic AWS architecture best practices. Around 1 year or more of AWS experience is recommended for taking this exam. Can be taken at testing center or online proctored exam. Multiple choice, multiple answer. It is 130-minute long exam. $150 cost to taking the exam and valid for 3 years. For more details, if you want to go with the exam, you can go to this link and get more details. AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional. So this is a professional level exam for a solution architect. At least 2 years of experience is expected if you are taking this particular exam. And its ability to evaluate cloud application requirement and make architectural recommendations for implementing, deployment and provisioning application on AWS is recommended. Familiarity with AWS command line interface, AWS APIs, AWS CloudFormation template, AWS billing console and AWS management console is expected. It can be taken at the testing center or online proctor exam. It is multiple choice, multiple answer. It is 180-minute long exam and it's gonna cost you $300 and validity is for 3 years. If you decided to go with this exam, please refer to this link to get more details. Next is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. It is intended for individuals who perform a DevOps engineering role with 2 or more years of experience provisioning, operating and managing AWS environments. Implement and manage continuous delivery systems and methodologies on AWS. Define and deploy monitoring metrics and logging system on AWS. This is also multiple choice, multiple answer questions exam and it is 180-minute exam and it's gonna cost you $300. It can be taken at testing center or it can be taken at online, and if you want to go with this exam you can refer to this link for more details. Now we moving to the specialty exam. So first one is advanced networking. It is intended for individuals who perform complex networking tasks, design and maintain network architecture for all AWS services. Minimum 5 years of hands-on experience architecting and implementing network solution is recommended. This is 170 minutes long exam, testing center or online proctored exam. $300 is the charge for this exam. And if you want to get more details about this, please refer to the link mentioned below. Next is AWS Certified Security. So this is intended for the individuals who perform a security role and have at least 2 years of hands-on experience working with AWS security workloads. And understanding of data encryption method, secure internet protocols on an AWS mechanism to implement them is recommended. And understanding of security operational and risk is recommended. Minimum 5 years of IT experience designing and implementing security solution is recommended. This is 170-minute long exam. It costs you $300. It is a multiple choice, multiple answer. For more details you can refer to the link. Next one is specialty exam is machine learning. This is for individuals who perform a development or data science role. It validates a candidate ability to design, implement, deploy and maintain machine learning solutions for given business problem. 1 to 2 years of experience in developing, architecting and running machine learning in AWS cloud is recommended. Experience with machine learning and deep learning framework is recommended. 170-minute exam, $300 is gonna cost you. This is also multiple choice, multiple answer exam. And if you need more details, please reach out this link and it will give you in-depth detail about this certification. Alexa Skill Builder certification is a very specific for the building Alexa skills. It expects you to have at least 6 months of experience building Alexa skill using Alexa skill set. You should have a proficiency in any one programming language to write this exam. And this is a 170-minute exam and it costs you $300. This is multiple choice, multiple answer, and for more details reach out to this link. Next is data analytics. Validate your expertise in data lakes, analytics services. At least 2 years of hands-on experience working with AWS and 5 years of experience working with data analytics is recommended. This is 180-minute long exam and it's going to cost you $300. For more details reach out to this link. AWS Certified Database Specialty validates your expertise in the breadth of AWS database services and accelerate the use of database technology to drive your organization business transformation. It expect you have at least 2 years of experience working on AWS and 5-year experience on database technologies. It is 180-minute long exam, and it's gonna cost you $300. This is multiple choice, multiple answer exam, and for more details visit to this link. So these are the various AWS exam which are in total 12. Now let's talk about the benefit of having AWS exam. So currently AWS is the leading cloud provider. Certification in this field will add value to your resume. It highlights your AWS skill. You might have worked on AWS for your project, but if you have AWS certification, then they prove your knowledge and add extra knowledge. It's open more opportunities. It increase paycheck because of certification, either in your current organization or if you are moving to the new organization. AWS cloud professionals are high in demand, can become an SME in AWS. So what we learn from this, that if you are going to take an AWS certification, which AWS certification is relevant to your role and how gonna it add value. Thanks for watching this. This is all I am gonna cover in this. I hope this particular video is gonna helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.